Let's now open a browser and download Microsoft Visual Studio Code. You can go to this address, code.visualstudio.com, and you will get to this. So let's say download for Windows. Now it's about 57 megs. I quite like those open with code in the file action and the context menus if you need to open it and quickly edit something. And if you want to register as an editor for supported file types, make sure you click that. We're going to add it to our path, which means that you'll be able to start running Python scripts straight away. Let's push next, install, and let's push finish. Okay, so this is quite small on my screen, so to make it easier for you, I'm going to go to View, Appearance, and I'm going to say Zoom In. View, Appearance, and say Zoom In. You can also do Control and the equals sign. So you can zoom it in as far as you want, and Control and the minus sign will zoom out. Perfect.